If you thought DJI couldn't outdo itself after the Mini 4 Pro, think again. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is not just another upgrade, it's a total game changer. Leaked images, field tests, and trusted insider scoops confirm that DJI is rewriting the rules of sub-to-5 OG drones. Imagine a drone so compact it fits in your palm but packs enough power to rival professional rigs. Yeah, we're talking about that kind of leap. Let's start with the star of the show, the camera. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a 1-inch sensor, a huge upgrade from its predecessor. That means crisp low light shots, better dynamic range, and detail that'll make your footage pop like it came out of a Netflix doc. The camera module, it's chunkier, more exposed, and likely built for full 360-degree rotation just like what we saw on the Mavic 4. That opens the door to buttery smooth cinematic moves. With zero restrictions, on the sensor side, DJI's stepping up its game with front-facing LR sensors, capable of spotting obstacles up to 25 meters away even in low light. Those bulging sensor pods aren't just for show, they house DJI's enhanced 3D infrared sensing system, previously reserved for higher-end models. Under the hood, we're getting new motors with actual ventilation finally. This means more power, better wind resistance, and possibly even the ability to carry small add-ons. Quick release props are also joining the party. No more hunting for tiny screws. And yes, it's still under the 150 grams, foldable, and travel ready. Battery life is getting a big boost to rumors suggest up to 45 minutes with the standard battery, and over 50 with a plus version. That's a serious step up from the Mini 4 Pro's 34-minute ceiling. DJI's O4 transmission system gives you 20 kilometers of range, and compatibility is expected with RC2, RCN3, motion controller, and Goggles 3. Hello, FPV lovers. There's even talk of voice controls and in-app audio recording for vloggers who hate carrying extra gear, and a dedicated flight mode button. Yes, please. So, with everything packed into this featherweight beast, from pro-grade camera tech, 2 next-gen sensors and smart flight features, the DJI Mini 5 Pro might just be the ultimate flying camera. Scheduled for a September 2025 launch, pricing is expected to start at $850 and go up to $1,200 for the Fly More combo. If DJI nails this, it could outshine everything in the sub-to-5 OG class. What kind of creative shots would you capture with a 360-degree gimbal on a pocket drone? Let us know in the comments. Smash that like button if you found this video helpful, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any DJI updates. And hey, stick around and check out our deep dive on the DJI Avata 3 leaks right here on the end screen. It's wild. Catch you there.